Alrighty, just fired up the Traeger. Gonna cook some flat iron steak marinated in teriyaki, but that's not. Okay, I haven't played this in a long time. I actually had to fix the string. So after not having done this for over a year, how many times for a ringer? One, two, three, four, five, six, six times. Not bad. Let's do some flat iron steak. Get that Traeger heated up. Okay. Been marinating. Let's see if I can do this one-handed without making a total freaking mess and letting too much heat out. Can it be done? Get both of them? Yeah, there's two of them in there. There they are. Okay. Shut that. I'll get back to you in a minute. Okay, we're not doing low and slow today. We're going to sear these puppies. Flat iron, we're going to bring them to 145 internal. It won't take long, they're thin. 145, we're going to let them rest for about 10 minutes, 10 minutes. And we're going to slice them again the grain. Oh yeah. Okay. Gotta let it rest. It's had a busy day. It's gotta rest. It's been busy. All right. Man, I forgot to make a video. I got so busy. Forgot to make a video of me cutting it up. But yeah. And you know, I've been saying flat iron steak the whole time. This is a flank steak. Yeah. I kept saying flat iron because I sometimes cook those and that was on the tip of my tongue right there. But this is a flank steak. Just occurred to me. But look at that. Look at that marbling. That's only one serving there. I got many more because when you buy these at Costco, they come, you know, so it's a quantity. You have enough to feed a family for a week. That's a dip my neighbor made, some kind of buffalo dip. The phone? Buffalo chicken dip.
Got chicken in it though, right?
Yeah. Oh wow, it's good.
Mm-hmm.
Buffalo chicken dip. Holy
Yeah.
shit.
No kidding. It'd be great on crackers.
Oh my god. Oh, that's really good.
You want some of that with your dinner tonight?
Oh
On the
god.
side?
That's good.